The enchanting tale of the Big Banyan Tree of Sanyari, Islamabad. In the heart of a serene village, Sanyari, near E9, Islamabad, stands the magnificent guardian of wisdom, the Big Banyan Tree. Its sprawling branches reach out like gentle arms, providing shade to all who seek its shelter. The legend of the Big Banyan Tree dates back centuries. Once a tiny sapling lovingly planted grew to become a towering presence, a symbol of strength and unity. Through generations, this majestic tree has witnessed the ebb and flow of life, embracing the joys, sorrows, and hopes of the village. The villagers hold the Big Banyan Tree in deep reverence, believing it possesses a magical aura, blessings and guidance. Its roots dig deep into the earth, grounding us and reminding us of the importance of staying connected to our origins. This wondrous tree teaches us profound lessons about patience and resilience. Just as it grows steadily, day by day, so too must we nurture our dreams and aspirations. In a world that moves swiftly, the Big Banyan Tree serves as a timeless reminder to pause and appreciate the beauty around us. So, the next time you find yourself in the presence of a mighty tree, take a moment to listen. Hear the stories whispered by the wind, feel the vibrations of life coursing through its bark, and embrace the wisdom it offers. Let us celebrate this living monument, this symbol of resilience, and learn from its teachings. May the spirit of the Big Banyan Tree guide us on our journey toward a harmonious coexistence with nature and each other.